Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have essentials ready: plain background, neutral face, and the app's camera permission. Open Passport Photo Maker and choose your country and size so the app uses the correct template. Position yourself chest up, center your head, and use the grid overlay to align eyes on the horizontal guide. Tap Auto Capture for steady shots or manual if you need control. Once captured, make sure the image is well lit and not overexposed before moving to editing. Once you've taken a good shot, use the app's Auto Remove to replace the background with the required plain color. Then smooth edges or restore small areas with the brush tool because precise edges matter. Next, use face detection to crop and align. Set head height and chin position to match the template guides so your photo meets size rules. Make subtle color and exposure edits, white balance, contrast, and gentle skin cleanup because heavy retouching can invalidate the photo. When satisfied, export the image in the required format and resolution. Choose 300 dpi for printing and 72 dpi for web uploads. Use Print Layout to arrange multiple copies on one sheet and save as a PDF or send directly to your printer. For digital submissions, save a separate high-quality JPEG. If the application rejects the photo, make sure the background color, head size, and lighting match specs, and retake rather than over-editing. Retaking fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.